Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Codex on iOS. So first of all, download this app on phone. And now open it and make an account. Click Claim Novice Rewards. And now click UV/IP on the top and pick whichever server is best for you. And then buy the first one. This comes up, and if it doesn't open, click refresh a few times. And now go to Chrome and download Codex. And finish these ads, then you should be able to download Codex. So I finished the ads and now I can download Codex. Now log into your Roblox account and join any game you want. And now it should be working fine. And please join our Discord in description to support us so we can make more tutorials like this.